So now I will be revising about the life jacket. Once I will be saying whatever I know, then I will be cross checking it. So, so life jacket, as we know, on board it has a whistle as well as a flashing light. So I guess the intensity of that light is 0.75 candela. 0.75 candela and flashes 50 to 70 flashes per minute, and the duration of this light is of 8 hours. And apart from that, uh, life jacket concern, like it should be able to like, first of all, if it 75% of the people on board should, like, after demonstration should be able to wear this life jacket within 1 minute, and 10% of the life jacket of the passenger should be a child life jacket which should be available, or two life jacket, whichever is greater, that is, each child life jacket should be present for each child on board. And apart from that, a proper marking of child jacket should be there on that life jacket, and weight and height should also be mentioned over there. And apart from that, a life jacket should, like, after wearing and jumping from 4.5 meter, okay, after wearing 4.5 meter from the in the water line, like, person should be able to jump at a height of 4.5 in water without any problem, right? And within, like, after jumping, the face of the person should be above from the water line at least 120 mm, and the face should turn up in 1 second after jumping, okay. And other thing is that light is there in life jacket, and 120 mm, and 50%, no, 10% of the, yeah, total passenger I have told that should be of child life jacket, and order 2. So, and life jacket, total life jacket should available on board should be at least 14, no, sorry, and it should be readily available at every places, like bridge, it should be there on bridge for the watchkeepers and engine for engineers. And as far as for the forward area also, where life raft is there, even there should be a, this should life jacket should present, total number of the crew, and what else, total quantity, I guess the life jacket is the total number of people present on board. And what else, life jacket, life jacket, yeah, that's it, I guess. Now let's check, cross check what I have missed out. Buoyancy is not, okay, this, when, if, like, just like for 24 hours is for lipo, here buoyancy should not be reduced by 5% after 24 hours of immersion in fresh water. Just like lipo, it should also be exposure of 2 seconds in engulf in fire, fitted with a vessel, I have told you, secured by a cord, provided for every person on board, that I have told you. In addition, child life jacket, 10% of the passenger on board, or one for each child, which is okay, not two, I have told two, but this is not the case, one for each child, which is greater. In addition, sufficient number for watchkeeper kept on bridge, ECR, and other manned stations. Sufficient number at remotely located survival craft station should not interfere with the entry into any survival in the, yeah, okay. So wherever we are sitting after wearing it should not interfere with the entry or any survival. All life jacket to be fitted with lights. All passenger, in addition 5% to the number of persons on board. Okay. So on passenger vessel 5% extra, total number of persons on board. So this is something for passenger ship, 5% we have to cap it extra. 75% of people who are completely unfair, which can be done within a period of without guidance or assistance. 75% of people who are completely unfit can done within a period of without guidance or assistance. Okay. After demonstration, okay, so 75% without demonstration, and after demonstration everyone should be within one, capable of being one in one way only. Okay, like that, we should be a no different way, it should be okay. Comfortable to wear, allows the water to jump quickly into water without any, okay, so without any injury, damage or dislodging the life jacket. Okay, sufficient on stability in fresh water to lift the mouth at least 120 mm from the water when, okay, I should not tell this, by at least 20 degree from the vertical. Time period to bring this body in this position, max 5 seconds. Okay, within 5 seconds this should happen. Allow the persons to swim and board the live boat. Okay, child life jacket, for inflatable life jacket should have at least 2 compartment and able to manually just by mouth or just one was inflating automatically upon immersion, single manual motion. Okay, child life jacket assistance permitted for small children, lift the mouth clear of water only by a distance appropriate to the size of the wearer mobility not to be restricted, assistance in boarding permitted. Okay, marked with life child symbol. Okay, not written child life jacket, should be marked with child symbol. Okay, marked with height and weight range for the which the jacket is designed. Inflatable life jacket, minimum 2 separate compartment for inflation, and inflate automatically upon immersion, provision to inflate by a single manual motion, capable of being inflated by mouth, rest requirements same as adult and child's. Life jacket lights point, yeah, that is correct, white color manual switch, flash rate, okay, rest everything is correct, perfect. So here we are completing.